These numbers is a puzzle, and you solve it. G plus host plus right plus tier. Ghost, right, tier. Ghost Writer. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Good morning. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our program. I hope you had a good weekend. We are starting off on a high note today. You will see that there is an X in front of this lady on my right, Dina Goldstein. On Friday's program, she lost a game to this gentleman, Kevin Heine, and our producer, Gabby Johnson, felt that because I did not start my explanation of the symbols in the puzzle at the very beginning, I picked out one isolated symbol on the bottom line. It may have disadvantaged Dina, and so we're going to remove that X. Take it out of there. So she's starting with no strikes against her at all. Now, not that she needs any breaks because she's won close to $19,000 in prizes, but Kevin, on the other hand, has picked up over $5,100 in just one game.
That's great.
And both of them, as you can see, are eager to go today.
Absolutely.
So let's take a look. Hello, what is this?
Summer's just around the corner, so work off those love handles and get that body into shape at Florida Spa and Fitness Center. We'll fly you and the companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Tampa. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding and while in flight. Experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you may enjoy 7 nights of the Total Fitness Plan at Safety Harbor Spa and Fitness Center on Tampa Bay. Meals, daily massages, exercise classes, sports, Skincare Institute, and more, furnished by Safety Harbor Spa and Fitness Center. Alex.
Go to Florida and be pampered. Dina and Kevin, here's where you'll find it on the board. Number 25, that makes it very easy to remember. And Dina, you get to select first today.
All right, let's go to number 3, please.
3 is a good place to start if you like chocolates.
I love chocolates. Number 23.
Wild card. So you're going to get a shot at the chocolates. The other chocolates on the board at number 19. Put them in position up here. Keep them in the shade so they don't melt. Open these 3 panels for Dina. Select again.
All right, let's go to number 5.
Backpacks for 2.
All right, well, we're 2. Let's see, number 9.
Electric guitar. No match. Kevin.
Oh, I love the guitar, so let's go for number 6.
Electric
And
guitar.
number 9 for the match.
And number 9 for the match.
No problem.
What kind of music do you play on a guitar?
Strictly rock and roll.
Strictly rock and roll. All right. Open it up. Why did your sister break out in gales of laughter when you said strictly rock and roll? Why did
Maybe
she
I
do
played badly, I'm not
Ah, that may be the reason. Yes. Pick again.
sure. How about the corner, number 1?
Corner number 1 has some golf clubs in it.
Golf clubs. I love to play golf, too. Number 17?
Backpacks for 2. No match for you. Dina.
All right, let's go back to number 5, please.
5 for the backpacks.
And I think those backpacks are under number 17.
1-7, yes. Open them. Pick again.
All right, let's see what's under number 13.
Satin bedding.
Ooh, that sounds pretty. Number 1.
Golf clubs. No match. Kevin.
Number 11, please?
Dining set.
How about number 21?
No. Green take.
All
Dina?
right, let's see if we can find those golf clubs again under number 16.
Wild card.
Oh, all right. I'll take number 25.
25. The Florida Spa and Fitness Center vacation. That's a good prize. The match to that is on the bottom line also. So you're going to see a lot of the bottom part of this puzzle, and I'm not sure these 3 pieces are covering that much that's important. But let's take a look. We're looking at a lot of feet there, Dina.
All right,
Pick
well,
again.
let's clear up that middle. Number 7, please. Oh, green take. And the match to that under number 15?
No,
No.
ladies' gold watch is what we have there. Kevin?
Let's go for number 11 there, Alex.
Dining set.
Oh, wow. Number 20?
Wild card for you. The other dining set at number 10. Show him these three pieces of the puzzle.
Alex, is it rocking chair?
That scream, that screech that just came out of the audience was from Kevin's sister, who is a good player. She won a car on our program. He said rocking chair. And he is right. Your sister knows when to scream. Come on to the board. All right, Kevin, break it down.
Okay, well, here we have the rock plus the king on the camel here, plus the CH, plus the hair. We have rocking chair.
Did your sister give you any tips before you appeared on the program?
She just said be calm, I don't know.
Be calm, do your thing. She knows you're bright enough. Dina, that is just your first strike, and so you'll play in game number 2 in a little while. We'll see you then.
Win the car.
All right,
you.
Kevin, win a car. It doesn't matter to Dina because she can come back and win one on her own right after you. Let's take a look at your prizes.
An electric guitar, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select an electric guitar or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores. Furnished by Service Merchandise, and a dining set. Bassett's Eastern Winds dining room set captures the mystery of the Orient. Its delicately engraved floral pattern in a rich birch finish, black trim, and polished brass hardware, furnished by Bassett. And Kevin, you've got prizes worth $3,225.
Good win, Kevin. And when we come back, we will see if he can win a brand new car, just as his sister did. And now...
Well, thank you, Alex. We are looking for pairs of people. You can be related or you can just be friends. If you want to try out for classic concentration, all you have to do is call area code 213-965-1234. That's area code 213-965-1234. They can be twins, they can be brothers or sisters,
Good.
fathers, mothers, whatever.
Thank you. All you have
Thank
to do
you.
is beat 2. So if there's nobody else in your life, go out in the street and grab somebody and say, come and play classic concentration with me and win big. This man's
my
winning.
sister as my...
You can't, well, no, you've been a contestant, and she's been a contestant, so you're not eligible.
Well, she's
But you-
good, though. She's
but
better
you
than
can
me.
win a car right now with these 15 numbered squares and the clock at 40 seconds. Kevin, this is your second time up here. Do well. Go for it.
1, 2,
Nope.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
7, 8,
No.
3, 9,
No.
5, 11, 10, 8,
Yep.
12, 9,
No.
3, 15,
No.
4, 14,
No.
5, oh wow, 12,
No.
13, 14,
No.
5,
Now's the time.
13.
That Civic caused you a great
Oh,
deal
yeah,
of
I
problem.
know.
You know, some contestants get up here and immediately get into a rhythm that seems to be working. They need some luck, too, to
Yeah.
make a couple of matches, and then that clears the board for you. If you don't get that, you're fumfing around there, and it is tough, believe
Well,
me.
hopefully
But you've
I get
won.
another try.
You may get another try. You've won $8,333 in prizes, which is excellent work.
Not bad, not bad.
We'll
I'm
take
happy.
a break, and then we'll come back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Gene Wood just told our studio audience that they were about to meet the world's first and only walking sausage, so let's do it.
Samsung's full-size VHS camcorder with advanced features, including 8:1 power zoom and low light sensitivity, furnished by Samsung Electronics. Alex.
All right, Dina and Kevin, we will show you where you can find that great recorder. It is at number 21. Only one wild card in this game, of course, and Dina, you get to pick first. Keep in mind that there are the bonus seconds in this game. We have the cash pot operating once again. It's at $500, and we have a holiday in New York, New York.
Oh,
a wonderful town.
okay. I love New York. Let's see, number 13. Oh, cash pot.
Cash pot.
And number 7.
Pool table, no match for you, Kevin.
Okay, well, I just came here from New York, so I'll go for number 5 for that trip.
5 bonus car seconds.
I could use that too, definitely. Number 1.
No, New York, New York. Now, with only that one wild card in this game, matches are going to be tougher to come by, Dina.
All right, let's go to number 3.
Cash pot.
Cash pot. And number 13.
Yes, $500 in cash going up in Dina's column. And over here, 2 doors swinging open.
No.
No, I didn't think so. Even Gene Woods couldn't identify this puzzle from what is showing right now, and he is good.
All right. Well,
Select.
let's go to number 1.
New York, New York.
New York. And let's try number 18.
Dishwasher. No, Kevin.
Okay, let's go for something new. How about number 14?
Pool table.
Oh, wow, I think we saw that, but was it number 5?
No, those are the bonus car seconds. Dina.
All right. Number 7.
Pool
And number
table.
14.
Yes. Well done. Open these 2 panels for Dina. Pick again.
All right, let's see what's under number 9. Ooh, red take. And the match for that under number 25.
No, green take. You have the right idea, though. Kevin?
Okay, let's go for the bottom here, number 23.
Rowing machine.
Rowing machine. Number 16?
5 bonus car seconds.
All right,
No
I
match.
would really
Dina?
like those bonus car seconds. Number 5
Right?
and number 16.
16, yes. With these bonus car seconds, if you got back to the winner's circle, you'd have pretty close to a minute, wouldn't you?
I don't even
think so.
remember.
I
Yeah,
think
that'd
so.
be great.
Yeah, very close to a minute. Open
Good.
these 2 panels for her. Select again.
All right, let's see what's under number 11.
Video
Ooh,
camera.
Video camera. And number 21.
21 is where the video camera is hiding. Yes, indeed.
She's waking up here, Alan.
She is. You don't have to worry, of course, because you can afford to lose a game. Dina
I don't
cannot-
want to lose a game.
I know you don't want to, but you can afford to lose it. Sometimes, you know, the luck isn't with you in a particular game.
But you're playing with my prizes, El.
She's playing with your prizes? All right. Well, is the video camera yours or hers?
Well, it's hers now.
Yes, it is. Open the doors for Dina. It's really not hers until she solves the puzzle, and that's the tough part on this show. Dina, go
Well,
again.
we'll open up number 2.
Dishwasher?
Oh, we saw that dishwasher under number 17.
No. Tennisware. Kevin.
I don't know if I can remember it either. Number 19?
Rowing machine.
Was that number 23?
Yes, it was. You have the loudest clap
I
of
know.
any contestant I've ever heard.
People hate when I sit behind them in like a theater. or
Are you
something
serious?
like
I
that.
mean,
Yeah.
you've heard that comment before? Good. It's
Yeah.
not just my imagination.
No,
You
it's
would be
real
great
loud.
in any audience. I mean, performers would love to have you there. Open these
I
2
also
doors for
whistle very
Kevin.
loud.
Don't whistle here, please.
Okay.
Select again.
Number 4, please?
Crystal bowl and
We haven't
vase.
seen that. How about number 2?
Dishwasher. No match. Dina.
Let's see. Number 12.
Wild card.
All right, and let's go. I want to uncover number 9.
Number 9. All right, that's the red take. I thought you might have gone for the vacation. The other red take is up there right next door at number 10. I will give you this. He has the rowing machine. I have a feeling you're going to pass on
I'm
it.
going to
Yeah.
take a pass,
Yeah, I
yeah.
figured, hey, rowing machine? What? Open these 3 doors for Dina. Go again.
All right, let's see what's under number 20.
Crystal bowl and
Bowl and
vase.
vase. And I believe the match to that is under number 2. Oh.
No, that's that infamous dishwasher we keep uncovering. We haven't managed to make that match yet.
Okay,
Kevin?
how about number 4, Alex?
4 is the
And
bowl
number
and
20.
vase. And 20 matches, yes.
All right.
That's right. Take a look. Select again.
Number 24, please.
New York, New York.
And all right, the match for that number 1.
Number 1.
Okay.
Correct. Open these 2 doors for Kevin. Select again.
Number 8, please.
Green take.
Green take. Was that number 15?
No, his and her tennis wear. Dina, you can clean up right now.
Okay, number 25.
Green
And
tape.
number 8.
That's right. You now have both takes.
Okay.
He has a rowing machine.
I know, and I would just really love it, but I think I'm going to go for New York.
I thought you might. The New York vacation will go to Dina's side of the prize board. We will open these two panels for her benefit. Select again.
All right, let's see what's under number 22, please.
Diamond amethyst
Oh, I would love those, and they
earrings.
go with this dress. So I don't think we've seen number 15.
His and her
yes, we
tennis
have.
wear.
Okay.
Kevin?
Okay.
Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. Get set to ring in. We're going to start revealing with number 2, number 6, 15, 17, 18, 22. Think of a line from the Bible. I'll start assisting you by explaining the symbols. The first symbol, the arrows are pointing at the mic. And then we have the arrows pointing at the direction up. Mic, up. My cup. Dina.
My cup runneth over.
Is it my cup runneth over? Yes, it is. Big, big win for Dina. Come on. Your cup runneth over on concentration.
Okay, this is the mic, and this is the up, and there he's running. If, ho, plus 4, my cup runneth over.
My cup runneth 04. Yes. One strike only for you, Kevin. As I said,
We'll be
you're
back.
not going to
We'll be
lose too
back.
much. You'll be back. I know. We'll see you then. Dina, you're going to add to all that you've won so far with these beautiful prizes. Gene.
A cash pot worth $500 and a pool table. The Olhausen Monarch features contemporary styling from hand-selected oak solids and veneers. The carefully engineered frame and rails, along with the diamond-honed Italian slate, will help provide professional play and years of family fun. And New York, New York! We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to New York. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 4 nights at the Drake Hotel. Gracious Swiss hospitality prevails in an ambiance of intimacy and elegance, bringing the finest touches of European savoir-faire to the heart of Manhattan. Furnished by Swiss Hotel New York, the Drake Hotel, and of course the handsome video camera and the 5 bonus car seconds. And Dina, you have a prize package totaling $7,314.
This is fascinating. I'm standing here looking into the audience at her husband and her daughter. Her daughter's going, Her husband's going, All right, we'll see if she can win a car right after this. The moment of truth. For Dina, 15 numbered squares. Clock, 55 seconds, but you picked up 5 bonus seconds, so I was right. You're going to have a full minute. Good luck. Win it.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
1, 8,
Correct.
10, 11,
No.
5, 6,
No.
13, 14,
No.
3, 9,
No.
14, 12,
No.
15, 7,
No.
11, 5,
No.
12, 4,
No.
2, 14,
No.
13, 6,
No.
10, 12,
No.
15, 4,
Yes.
3, 9,
No.
6,
No.
10.
I'm taking over the chance. You missed the Fox match and you missed the Sundance early on. So you had a whole minute and you wind up with $26,155 and you get to come back and play again.
All right.
That's the real good news. Great time for us. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive this Sanyo portable AM/FM stereo cassette recorder CD player with 20 program memory. Features bass expander circuitry for bass enhancement and synchronous dubbing furnished by Sanyo. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
See you all next time.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.